Welcome to our video on the Billionaire Mindset. Are you ready to learn the secrets of the world's most successful billionaires? From Elon Musk to Mark Zuckerberg, these individuals have achieved incredible wealth and success, and in this video, we'll be sharing their strategies and tips for achieving the same level of success in your own life. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a business leader, or just someone looking to improve their financial situation, this video is for you. So sit back, relax and get ready to learn the mindset of a billionaire. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. First, we'll talk about Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. When asked about his success, Elon attributes it to his ability to think big and not be afraid to take risks. He says, "I've always been able to think big and come up with innovative ideas. I believe that if you can think big, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. And I've never been afraid to take risk. Failure is just a part of the process and I've learned to embrace it." Next, we'll talk about Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook. When asked about his success, Mark attributes it to his ability to stay focused on his goals and not get distracted. He says, "I've always been able to stay focused on my goals, and that's been a huge advantage for me. I believe that if you can stay focused on your goals, you can achieve anything you set your mind to." Third, we'll talk about Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world. When asked about his success, Warren attributes it to his ability to stay disciplined and focused on his investments. He says, "I've always been able to stay disciplined and focused on my investments. I believe that if you can stay disciplined and focused, you can achieve anything you set your mind to." Fourth, we'll talk about Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and philanthropist. When asked about her success, Oprah attributes it to her ability to overcome adversity and stay positive. She says, "I've been through a lot of tough times in my life, but I've always been able to overcome adversity and keep a positive attitude. I believe that if you can overcome adversity and stay positive, you can achieve anything you set your mind to." Fifth, we'll talk about Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft and one of the wealthiest people in the world. When asked about his success, Bill attributes it to his ability to think long-term and make strategic decisions. He says, "I've always been able to think long-term and make strategic decisions. I believe that if you can think long-term, you can achieve anything you set your mind to." Sixth, we'll talk about Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. When asked about his success, Jeff attributes it to his ability to innovate and focus on the customer. He says, "I've always been focused on innovation and making sure that the customer is happy. I believe that if you can stay focused on the customer and continue to innovate, you can achieve anything you set your mind to." Seventh, we'll talk about Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group. When asked about his success, Richard attributes it to his ability to think creatively and be adaptable. He says, "I've always been able to think creatively and come up with new and innovative solutions. Additionally, I am willing to adapt and change course when necessary, and I believe that if you can think creatively and be adaptable, you can achieve anything you set your mind to." Eighth, we'll talk about Larry Page, the co-founder of Google. When asked about his success, Larry attributes it to his ability to surround himself with the right people and delegate responsibilities. He says, "I've always been able to surround myself with the right people, who are experts in their fields. This allows me to delegate responsibilities and focus on my strengths. I believe that if you can surround yourself with the right people and delegate effectively, you can achieve anything you set your mind to." Ninth, we'll talk to Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple. When asked about his success, Tim attributes it to his ability to anticipate market trends and stay ahead of the game. He says, "I've always been able to anticipate market trends and stay ahead of the game. I believe that if you can anticipate market trends and stay ahead of the game, you can achieve anything you set your mind to." In conclusion, the billionaire mindset is a combination of clear vision, determination, risk-taking, continuous learning, surrounding oneself with successful people, resilience, positivity, discipline, long-term perspective and generosity. By incorporating these habits and mindset into your own life, you too can achieve success and wealth. Remember that becoming a billionaire is not an overnight success, it's a journey that requires hard work, perseverance and patience. Thank you for watching our video on the Billionaire Mindset. We hope that you've gained some valuable insights and strategies from the world's most successful billionaires. Remember, the key to achieving success and wealth is to think big, take calculated risks, and never give up on your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.